Students, in this video, we are going to have a look over a system of pair of linear equations in two variables. A pair of linear equations in two variables forms a system. This system is sometimes called a system of simultaneous linear equations. The standard form is here. The first linear equation I am reading here, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. What are a1, b1, c1? a1, b1, c1 are nothing but real numbers. X, y are variables. Similarly here, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is our second equation. In this, a2, b2 and c2 are real numbers. Here a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, c1 is the constant term. a2 is the coefficient of x, b2 is the coefficient of y, and c2 is the constant term. Now, as we know that each linear equation in x and y can be represented on graph paper, and its representation is always a straight line. So we will get two straight lines. Solution of the linear equations is the common solution of the two equations. Now there are two ways to find out the solution. The first one is the graphical method and the second one is the algebraic method. In the graphical method, we try to solve the two equations on the graph paper, and in algebraic method we deal with each of the linear equations algebraically. Now how do we do to find out the solution of a system of linear equations? In graphical method, we represent the two equations on the graph paper and look for their point of intersection. This point of intersection gives us the common solution. Let us illustrate the idea with an example. Let us consider two linear equations. The first one is x plus y is equal to 3 and the second one is 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Now for each equation, we are going to construct a table of values of x and y that are satisfied by the equations 1 and the equations 2. Now here I have taken x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. We see that if you put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 that is 3 is equal to 3. That means this is a solution of this linear equation. Similarly, 2, 1 is also a solution of this linear equation. Similarly here 0 minus 2 and 4, 4 are solutions of this linear equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. I have taken these points as per my convenience. You can take your points your own way and as per your convenience, but it must be in a fashion so that you can represent these points on your graph paper. Now, plotting these points, we have this 1, 2 and this is point 2, 1. We draw a straight line and this straight line represents the first equation. Similarly, here 0 minus 2 and 4, 4. Let us join these two points and this straight line represents the second equation. Now what do we see here? Both the straight lines intersect at the point 2, 1. And this point 2, 1 is the common point on both the straight lines. Therefore, the value of x and the value of y corresponding to this common point is the solution of both the equations. If it is the solution of both the equations, this is the solution of the system of simultaneous linear equations. Okay, thank you. दूसरे वीडियो पे